cake too sweet to be bitter. Pretty girl with a hustle is a winner. Gotta keep a big bag, I'm a spender.
Hey guys, what's goody? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tree, and that's Nug. So today, guys, we're gonna be working with Cynosure hair, and I bought this off of Amazon. The specs to this hair, it is a Kinky curly lace front wig, and it's 26 inches in the color natural black. It also says that the hairline is pre-plucked as well. So in the pack you get your thank you card, your wig caps, and the wig, of course. And y'all, these lashes were so popping, and the light was not trying to let them shine, but you know, get your pair of cute lashes. Now y'all, out the pack, bro. Y'all see this hair, like the luster, it's just so pretty. The curl pattern is just amazing. Like, I really love this wig and the construction. So on the inside, you know, you got your two combs on the side, one in the middle, one at the back, and your adjustable straps as well. Now this lace is like a, I guess, medium brown, light brown, I'm not sure, but it blended very well with my skin color. So if you're my skin color, or, you know, a little lighter or darker, it should go really well. Like, see right here, you can't even tell. Beautiful. I was just in love. Like, look how bouncy those curls are. Ooh, so juicy. Now for the styling we're doing today, you're gonna need your choice of powder bleach, and I'm using 30, 40, and 50 volume developer, but you can if you just want to stick with one, you know, that's your choice. I just chose these three because they do lip differently. And you're gonna need some gloves. I got this little tool set so I can differentiate my developer so I wouldn't mix it up. And I also got some foil strips. You can actually just use like foil if you got them at home, but I was in the beauty supply store and I saw these. They were on like $2.99, so I got it. And okay, you're gonna need some clips. And bows. Okay, y'all. So I'm about to do something that I have never done before. I'm a little scared and a little nervous, like just a little bit. So we gonna just pray, because baby, when you acknowledge Jesus and God, honey, I'm telling you, it's just gonna come out right. So we gonna say a little prayer. Seriously, I'm so serious. Let's say this prayer. Amen. Baby, won't he do it? He will. Period. Okay, here is how I section off my hair, and the two pieces in the front are the money pieces. I separated the frontal as well, and in total I had like 6 sections. Now for the mixing process, I use 3 scoops of powder bleach for each developer. And when you're making your mixture for actually like bleaching your hair and not your knots, you want it to be very loose. I'll show you guys in a second. Okay, so I put 30 and 40 developer in this bowl. And I use my little whisk to get it really mixed up, get all the clumps out. And you can see I'm using a lot of developer because, like I said, you want it to be as loose as possible. The looser the better. Like, it'll spread through your hair easier, and you won't use as much bleach, so it's saving you some coin too, sis. Oh, and I did off camera wipe off this little whisk so it won't contaminate, you know, so I can keep the developers the same. And see how it's just falling off of my whisk? That's how you want it to be. You want it to just slide off. Okay guys, pay attention to the two different brushes I have because I will tell you their use later on in the video. Now to start off the bleaching, I started off using the weaving in and out method, and what you basically do is take your rat tail comb and put it through your section. Make sure your section is as taut as it can be, and then you just weave your comb in and out, just like so. And I slowed this down so you guys could see. I hope you can like get the gist of it. And then after that, you just pull it down and separate your two. So now you have two sections. Now I'm gonna put some 40 volume developer on this full strip and put it on the back to make sure that my back is covered as well. And I'm gonna just go ahead and start applying the bleach. Now y'all remember I told you I was using the two different brushes now. So the black one is 30, no, the black one is 40, I'm sorry. The black one is 40 volume developer and the pink one is 30. I'm gonna leave a note on the video somewhere so I won't have to keep saying, you know, which volume I'm using. You guys can just have it as a reference. But after you coat it or whatever and saturate it, you fold the foil up as tightly as possible so we can seal in all that heat, baby, because we want these strands to be completely coated. Now, like I said, I started off using the weaving method, but it was kind of taking too long, so I just started pulling out sections. After this one, I started I just started pulling out sections. And basically, oh, maybe I did weave. All right, then. So, yeah. Oh, and two guys, I didn't want to do all the roots, but now if you want to have your roots and the rest of your hair bleached, you can just do it all. But if you just want to leave your roots out, take the brush in a horizontal, one of them ways. Anyway, basically just flip your brush the long way and do like really light brush-like strokes at the top, and that'll give you the feathered look against the roots. Make sure you're leaving, like, when you do your highlights and lowlights, don't go over the same little section that you created out of your big section. So if you start on the end, skip and do the next one. And then when you go to the section above that, don't start bleaching immediately at the end. You skip to the section that has not been bleached up under that section, if it makes sense. I really do hope I'm making sense, you guys, but for my visual learners, I'm pretty sure y'all got it down pat. Okay, boom, here is what I was talking about. You see how I bleached the section under that, and I didn't bleach the section above it. I bleached the one in the middle, which is on top of a non-bleach, if it makes sense. I really do hope that I am explaining this and you guys are understanding, because I want y'all to be slaying out here like me, period. for the frontal, I didn't use any special technique like as far as skipping sections. I was just freestyling and being creative at this point, because at the end of the day, you want your hair to be to your liking, you know, something that fits you. So, you know, just do what you feel and just go with it. So after I finished my money pieces, I still had some bleach left over in my bowl. So I just took the brush that I used to do the money pieces and then just started going through and adding, you know, little teeny tiny strips just to give the hair more dimension. And I also started just scooping it out with my hands because it really wasn't that much left. It was just still some product that I did not want to waste. So why not just add other little tiny little highlights and lowlights. And I put some on the ends of the hair as well. And I left the bleach on my hair for a total of 45 minutes, I do believe it was. And now this is just me showing you guys, and you can see that the hair is already starting to turn. So this hair takes bleach very well. Okay, now I'm going to wash it out with some Isoplus Neutralizing Shampoo and Conditioner and the Shimmer Lights to remove any brassiness, as well as some Aussie Miracle Moist to bring my curls back to life. And I'm going to do a Silicone Bambu bath, which is going to also revitalize the hair and kind of try to avert any damage that happened. And this is the hair after it's been washed. As you can see, the curl pattern is still intact. And it's just beautiful. But you guys, this is the end of the video. And if you guys liked it, please comment, share, and subscribe. And see you guys next time.